drifting gracefully on the ocean's surface, with colors that shimmer like liquid sapphires. The blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus, is one of the most dazzling creatures in the sea. Despite its ethereal beauty, this tiny sea slug is also armed with a deadly sting, borrowed from one of the ocean's most feared creatures. Combining elegance with danger, the blue dragon embodies nature's paradox. Fragile yet formidable, the blue dragon is a species of nudibranch, a group of soft-bodied, shell-less mollusks often referred to as sea slugs. Unlike the dull, slimy garden slugs we're familiar with, nudibranchs are famous for their vibrant colors and extraordinary adaptations. Among them, Glaucus atlanticus stands out as one of the most remarkable. Measuring only about 3 to 4 centimeters long, smaller than a human thumb, it can easily be overlooked. Yet its vivid blue, silver, and dark striped body makes it look like a creature from a fantasy world. Its unique coloration is more than just decoration. The blue dragon exhibits counter-shading, a survival strategy common in marine animals. Its dorsal side, which faces upward toward the sky, is a brilliant blue, helping it blend with the ocean's surface when seen from above. Its ventral side, facing downward, is silvery gray, camouflaging it from predators below by reflecting the sunlight that filters through the water. This dual disguise allows the blue dragon to drift unnoticed as it rides the ocean currents. Unlike many sea slugs that crawl along the seafloor, the blue dragon is pelagic, meaning it lives in the open ocean. To stay afloat, it swallows air and stores it in a gas-filled sac within its stomach, keeping its body buoyant as it floats upside down at the surface. Carried by winds and currents, it often gathers in groups known as blue fleets, sometimes alongside its main prey, the Portuguese man-o'-war, a jellyfish-like colonial organism, infamous for its painful sting. What makes the blue dragon truly extraordinary is its feeding strategy. It preys on venomous creatures such as the Portuguese man-o'-war, bluebottle jellyfish, and other siphonophores. Instead of being harmed, the blue dragon consumes these animals and stores their stinging cells, nematocysts, within its own body. Even more impressively, it concentrates the venom in specialized sacs at the tips of its finger-like appendages, making its sting potentially even more potent than that of its prey. This process, called kleptognaty, turns the blue dragon into a tiny but powerful predator, armed with a chemical weapon. The sting of a blue dragon can be painful to humans, causing burning sensations, swelling, nausea, and even allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Though not usually fatal, encounters can be dangerous, especially because its venom is often stronger than that of the Portuguese man-o'-war it feeds on. This is a striking reminder that beauty in nature often hides deadly secrets. Reproduction in blue dragons is as unusual as their appearance. They are hermaphrodites, meaning each individual possesses both male and female reproductive organs. When two meet, they exchange sperm to fertilize each other's eggs. This strategy increases their chances of reproduction in the vast, sparsely populated open ocean. After mating, they lay long strings of eggs, often attaching them to floating debris, shells, or even the bodies of their prey. Despite their alien-like appearance, blue dragons play an important role in the marine ecosystem. By preying on venomous jellyfish and siphonophores, they help regulate populations that could otherwise overwhelm ocean habitats. At the same time, they themselves are prey for larger animals, including seabirds and sea turtles, which are immune to their venom. In this way, the blue dragon fits into the delicate balance of life in the open sea. For humans, the blue dragon is both a fascination and a cautionary tale. Beachgoers sometimes encounter them washed ashore by strong winds, their striking colors glistening in the sun. While they may look like harmless jewels scattered on the sand, picking them up with bare hands is risky. Their venomous sting can deliver an unpleasant surprise to the curious. Nevertheless, their beauty often inspires awe, making them a favorite subject for photographers, marine biologists, and nature enthusiasts alike. In recent years, climate change and shifting ocean currents may be affecting blue dragon populations, though much remains unknown. Because they are small, fragile, and widely dispersed, studying them in detail is challenging. Yet every sighting reminds us of the ocean's mystery and the intricate web of survival strategies that evolution has crafted. The blue dragon is more than just a pretty face in the sea. It is a living example of how life adapts in extraordinary ways. A creature that floats upside down, cloaks itself in brilliant disguise, and turns the venom of its prey into its own deadly defense. To witness one in the wild is to glimpse the creativity of nature at its finest. A tiny dragon drifting across the vast blue ocean, armed and beautiful. In the words of many who have encountered it, the blue dragon is proof that reality can outshine fantasy. While myths of sea serpents and dragons have fueled human imagination for centuries, this little nudibranch shows us that the oceans already hold dragons of their own, fragile, fierce, and unforgettable.